Well, I first came to know about passive housing when I took the family to live in Europe. We spent 20 months there altogether, and I was actually working for a German company. Passive housing is something that originated in Germany. I didn't realise at that time, but that was actually having a deep impression on me. So that's, I guess, when the first ideas of eHaus were born, while I was still living in Europe. And when we came back, we started. One of the exciting opportunities that the building and designing this house gave us was a blank sheet of paper where we were able to discover and try and get 3 different things to meet. So one is the budget, the other, which is a non-negotiable, it needed to be a passive house, and the third is the use of space, or what do we want from a house, how does that all go together. So some of the distinctive design features of this particular house are the windows. In fact, we have no opening windows in this house. If you check in the rule book according to Wolfgang Feist, that's a no-no. So with the tilt-turn technology, which is now becoming much more understood in New Zealand, it means that a door can function as a window for ventilation as well. And so understanding that, we built in a lot of doors into the house to have great connection with the outdoors. And there's a balcony upstairs, so each of the bedrooms is able to open out onto the balcony. And then we have some fixed windows, which are panoramic windows. Generally, we don't want too much sun, particularly from the west, because it's low sun, and that can come into the house and bring too much solar gain. And so we've chosen to frame the view rather than have expansive glass to the east or west.
One of the things that you can do living in a passive house is that you can live in the whole house because it's the same everywhere. You don't have cold spots, or you don't think, nobody wants to hang out in their bedrooms because they're so freezing cold. So everybody can be everywhere in the house.
For me, it's been a bit of a journey of discovery, and the net result for me is I'm really comfortable. This fits with who we are. We're not extravagant out there. Money isn't our goal at the end of the day, but this has been a perfect environment for us to grow our lovely boys. Yeah, and it's fulfilled everything that we need, but it's far more than that.